Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong 6 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, almost half an hour, and most of the time I've spent on the settings. We've got also the unlock and the notifications count. So if you want to, you can check some further details using two different ways. So the first one is to tap inside this graph. We will be transferred to the dashboard, which will show us the screen time in particular days of the week. You will be able to compare them, of course, if you will have data. And under it, you've got the list of apps which you've been using with the exact time you've spent on them. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. And the second way is to tap directly on the app. So, for example, settings, phone, camera, Chrome, etc. Just tap on the app, and again, we've got the dashboard, but this time it is slightly connected with this one app. And you will be able to compare the screen time spent on this one app. You can change the screen time, of course, to notifications and times opened again, and from daily to hourly. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.